Hi guys. One of the biggest challenge in traveling is to travel light, which means that you should carry a small luggage. Small luggage has various advantages. You can very easily change hotels, you can go to airport in public transport. I can count hundreds of advantages of moving light. So, you can carry a small luggage only when you have the art of packing your garments in a manner that they become very small so that you can keep them in a small luggage. Today, my better half, Neha, will tell you how to pack certain garments into a very small pack. Welcome to Neha.
Hi guys. First of all, I'm telling you how to pack. You see this t-shirt, right? And I'm telling you how to pack this top in a manner that is like it takes very small place, right? So this is how you keep it. Then you give it a fold this way, right? Then you give it a fold this way. So just the two steps, right? Then you have to give a fold at this place. And the most important thing you have to care is the fold should not be very small. Opposite side, at least it should be 3 to 4 inches. Then it will be the best, right?
Neha, I will request you, can you do this part again?
Okay, I repeat.
Do the entire part again because this is very technical. Students, they
Okay.
forget.
Okay.
People, they forget.
So. I repeat it. Fine. So give it this fold.
Let's call it first fold.
Yeah. And this is the second.
Second fold.
Right. Fine. No problems.
Now the third fold. Third
Now
fold is
the
very
third.
crucial.
Yeah. Just wait. Here you have to care. This side, it should be at least 3 to 4 inches, right?
Note this point. It should at least be 3 to 4 inches.
Fine. Now you give this half fold this way and this way.
So if we count, there are 5 total folds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Then you reverse it. Fine. Then you start folding it with full force, as small as possible. Don't give it a big fold. Keep the fold as small as possible, right? This way. And in the beginning, be slow as I am showing, right? So now see, again I am folding and I fold complete, right? Now if you see carefully.
Just repeat, do it again.
Okay.
Last part.
The last part.
And do it slowly.
Yeah. This was this way, right? Now give it a full fold. Right? Then this is the fold.
Now see carefully.
Now. This is the most important part you have to care. Pick this fold and move it in the opposite direction this way. This way. And now just see it. How beautiful it looks.
The most advantageous thing regarding this is that your crease will not get damaged.
Yeah.
You will not
And it
require
will-
to iron it once you open it back. I'll request Neha to repeat the last part, please.
Okay.
That was very crucial, and I have seen many people not able to do that.
Yeah. Just wait.
Just show the fold also. Little unfold it, then just a little bit more unfold it, and then show how you have done the last part. That is very crucial. Just
Fine.
that is better. That is better.
This was here. Fine.
Or you do it the entire thing. I'll just count the folds. That will be better.
I should repeat the whole thing.
That will be better.
Okay.
You have done it wonderfully, but
Okay.
I will request you to do it again. This is very delicate initially, and once you are thorough with it, it's become easy.
Okay.
So I'll count the fold,
Okay.
right? First fold,
Right.
second fold,
Right. And the most important fold.
third fold is the most important one. Remember 3 to 4 inches.
Yes.
Third fold.
This way.
So it's a game of 5 folds,
Right.
1 roll, and then unfolding.
And then next.
This is 4th fold, and this is 5th fold. You have counted the folds, friends. There are 5 folds. Now rolling. 5 folds,
And
6th
while
is rolling.
While rolling, you have to take care.
It has to be very tight.
It has
Then
to
it
be
will
very
become very
tight.
small.
Huh.
Try to squeeze out all the air. So 5 folds, 1 roll. 5 folds, 1 roll.
Fine.
And last is unrolling. Now this
This is the most
so
important.
see carefully.
This, pick the last fold and just take it in the opposite direction. This way.
Thank you, Neha. So Neha has given us a very good hack how to make a small pack. 2 advantages. First, it will become very small. Second, it will occupy very little space in your luggage. And third one is, when you will unfold it, your ironing will not be required.
Yeah.
It will remain ironed the
crease
way
will
you did
remain,
it.
huh?
The
Crease
crease
will
will
remain
remain
as it is.
maintained. Hope
Right.
you all have enjoyed it.